How to turn digital well-being on and off in customization service on Android. This tutorial shows you how to control whether digital well-being can personalize your app experience on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Then, scroll down and tap on General Management. Once you're inside, scroll down and tap on Customization Service. Right here, you'll see a list of Samsung services that can each personalize a different part of your device experience. Next up, find Digital Wellbeing from the list and tap the toggle right next to it. Go ahead. When turned on, Digital Wellbeing uses your app usage patterns to offer smarter suggestions and insights, helping you better understand how you spend time on your device and nudging you toward healthier usage habits over time. From here, it can also use this data to tailor screen time reminders and app limits based on what you actually use most, rather than applying the same settings to everything. Moving on, turning it off simply stops digital well-being from collecting and using that activity data for personalization. All the core features like timers and app limits will still work, they just won't be tailored to your habits anymore. Finally, the toggle takes effect immediately, so there's no need to restart your device after making the change. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.